Imagine losing money without even realizing it. Hidden costs, like wasted energy, silently drain your profits. Let's uncover these invisible expenses and see how they impact your bottom line. With Office Soft ERP, you will be able to comprehensive analysis of production costs in all their details, comparison with the standard cost, and analysis of deviations.
Accurate raw material tracking is crucial. Ovis Soft ERP ensures you only use what's necessary, preventing unnecessary expenses and boosting your profit margins. Identifying waste areas is key to operational efficiency. Office Soft ERP provides tools to detect and reduce waste, optimizing your resources for better productivity. Don't let hidden costs hinder your growth. Find out the solution now. For more details, contact us.